Welcome to this session on From Question to Data Story. In this session, you will get familiar with methods of data storytelling, walk through the data pipeline from defining your question to presenting your story. So, you want to write a data story. Now, what? The data pipeline. The data pipeline is a school of data's approach to working with data from beginning to end. Once you understand your action cycle and the stakeholders, it will be time to work with the data, and we have broken down this process in steps. Number 1, define. 2, find. 3, get. 4, verify. 5, clean. 6, analyze. And lastly, present. Step 1, define. Data-driven projects always have a define the problem you're trying to solve component. It's in this stage you start asking questions and come around the issues that will matter in the end. This also allows you to think about the data you would need. Start with a theme like why are Kenyan artists struggling financially? And narrow it to a specific question that you want to answer in your writing. Why doesn't the Music Copyright Society of Kenya pay artists due royalties? Step 2, what data you'll need to answer your question. Defining your question will also help you identify what evidence you'll need to answer it accurately. Step 3, find. This phase can make or break your project, as you can't do much if you can't find the data. But this is also where creativity can make a difference. Using proxy indicators, searching in non-obvious locations, don't give up too soon. Once your question has been defined, you need to find the data to help you answer the question. Use search engines, open data portals, surveys, interviews, government bodies, and local and international NGOs. As we can see on the screen, Martin managed to find the financial reports of the Music Copyright Society of Kenya. Step 4, get. Moving the data from wherever you find it to a copy that you can start exploring. This may mean requesting, crowdsourcing, downloading, web scraping, and extracting, for example, from PDF or from an image. You can crowdsource using online forms, you can perform offline data collection, you can use some crazy web scraping skills, or you can simply download the datasets from government sites using their data portals or through a Freedom of Information request. Martin extracted the data tables from scanned financial reports. Step 5, verify. Now it's time to verify if the details are valid. Who collected it? How was it collected? How credible is the source? Is any crucial piece of data missing? All data is bad. We just need to find out how bad it is. A quote from the School of Data. This leads us to step 5, clean. Data is almost always messy. Duplications, different spelling for the same word, weird characters, all these need to be cleaned up before exploration and analysis can begin. Step 7, explore and analyze. Explore and interrogate the data to help you get answers to the question that you defined at the start of the process using sorting and filtering, measuring central tendencies, cross-tabulation and percentages, and visualizing the data using different charts. And number 8, we have present. Present your data in a way that resonates with the audience that you have designed for and answers the questions you defined at the start. For example, we can see how the data here is presented either as a bar graph or as a line graph. What's next? Now it's time to explore a few different ways of finding the data.